1985. Steve Jobs imagined talking to Aristotle and receiving an answer. 2026. Today, Aristotle can answer, but does the student know what to ask?
Students already have AI, notes, assessment results, and exam specifications, but these systems do not share context. A chatbot can explain almost anything, yet it doesn't know the student's exact exam, what their teacher has covered, or even what's their weakest topic. We built LearnLab, a specification-aware revision platform that brings upcoming exams, assessment evidence, student confidence, and teacher updates all into one place. Instead of giving generic advice, it explains what the student should work on next and why. The dashboard shows a clear, concise summary based on the student's progress in their different subjects, with subject-specific priorities being shown, as well as having quick access to our science tutor. Upcoming exams are showed linked to their exam-specific specification points, whilst previous tests are tracked to give students visual views of their progress. Homework can also be tracked as well and submitted as per the teacher's setting. And our science tutor can give tailor-made advice based on a student's specific record. For instance, we can ask it here to walk me through how I would answer the specific question it's giving me. And as you can see, knowing my specific learning approach as well and how I respond well to stretch questions, it's given me a stretch question and then it's walked me through step by step in a didactic manner how specifically I can best learn. Teachers see the same evidence from a class perspective, with the dashboard highlighting class performance, homework completion, and students who may need a check-in. Student records exposes individual progress as well as topic-level strengths and gaps. Teachers can also create upcoming assessments linked to specific AQA content and then use the class insight assistant to help them understand who may need the most support whilst teaching and in which specific areas they may need the support.
We built LearnLab using Codex with GPT 5.6. Codex inspected the repository, understood how everything was organized, and made multiple coordinated changes at once. GPT 5.6 was particularly useful when making changes across multiple layers. For example, when updating the domain logic, it needed changes to the UI, API routes, and stored data. We also used Codex to connect a custom GPT to our own web API, allowing the GPT to interact with LearnLab's backend and have authentication and student data.
AI has become good at answering questions. LearnLab focuses on the harder problem, helping students to understand which questions to ask now.